Have you ever wished that you could hire a personal designer to decorate your home without breaking the bank? That's exactly what I needed, and you'll never believe who, or should I say what, I used to redecorate our home. It's ChatGPT, and in this video, I'm sharing how to use ChatGPT to give your home the budget refresh or makeover, and even remodeling ideas that you've been dreaming about. Hi there, I'm Melanie from Simple Made Pretty, where I share budget home decor ideas, Cricut craft, and dollar store DIYs. And yes, I use ChatGPT AI to help me redecorate my home. And did my home really need redecorating? No, it didn't. But what happened was I was using ChatGPT for other purposes like my business. I was using it to help me create content for my social media channels, helping me write emails, things of that nature. And I was like, you know what else can I use ChatGPT for? Next thing you know, I was asking it what I should make for dinner using ingredients in my house. I was asking it to help me plan my week so that I could juggle being a busy mom and running my business from home. And yes, I've been doing this for 10 years, but ChatGPT had some really useful suggestions. And so I ended up creating this whole printable packet for you guys, and it includes 30 plus ChatGPT prompts that busy moms can use. If you want that printable, you can subscribe at Simple Made Pretty. I'll include the link in the description for you, and it's free. So I decided to use ChatGPT to do a quick refresh of my home decor when I was in my laundry room doing laundry, and I'm like, I'm so sick of my laundry room. I just hate the way it looks. It was very cluttered. My kids and my husband just throw their stuff in there, and things were just, it was just a hot mess. And so I just took a picture of it really quickly, and I actually did a video too because I was not sure what ChatGPT needed to see to really help me. And then I uploaded it, and of course I use the paid version of ChatGPT. So if you use the free version, you will have limitations on what you can accomplish using ChatGPT. So I do the paid version because I use it for my business, and it definitely pays for itself after a while if you have a business. So I took this picture of my laundry room, and I asked ChatGPT, can you please help me make this laundry room look better? And then it spit out like this mock-up image, and I think it will ask you, do you want a mock-up image? And of course I'm like, yeah, I want to see what you come up with. Lo and behold, after a little bit of back and forth, ChatGPT came up with some really pretty images and ideas and inspiration for me, and it was specific to my laundry room, what I needed to have in this laundry room, you know, the function of it, and not really going overboard with spending a lot or investing a lot of money and time into it. I was like, look, I only have, you know, this much time and this much amount of money. What can I do to improve the look of this space? And so that is the beauty of it. And using ChatGPT, it is seriously like your own personal designer. You've got a bargain hunter as well, and a paint expert. So after doing the laundry room, I started taking pictures of everything around my house. I mean, everything. I was like, oh, this bookshelf, I need to redo this bookshelf. Let me take a picture and see what ChatGPT comes up with. And so it was getting a little bit addicting. So I will just put a disclaimer out there that ChatGPT does say, do not share personal information on there because it is reviewed periodically. So don't be putting anything out there that you don't want someone else to know about, okay? So if you're taking pictures of different spaces in your home, and something is being revealed in the photo, just be mindful of that, okay? So if there was a mock-up image that ChatGPT sent me, for instance, my bookshelves in our family room, and had all these really cute decorations. And I was like, can you link some of these items? And of course it does. It finds all these items on Amazon. And sometimes it does say, like, we can't verify this link, so you do need to be a little bit careful. But it does give you an idea of where to find the items. And you can also say, hey, I have a budget of X amount of money, and can you find this under this amount? I want to be able to make over this room for under this amount. And so it's so helpful to be able to do that using ChatGPT. And I was able to find several items to give our home a quick refresh. And yeah, I've been doing a lot. I don't know if you've noticed, if you watch my channel, you might have noticed the curtains behind me. I used to have these very dark green curtains, and ChatGPT suggested that I change them out with these natural linen curtains. And I'm just gonna say, I'm in love with these linen curtains. I bought them for a family room, and I was just like, these curtains are the best curtains that I have seen in a while. The pleat on them are perfect, and you don't have to mess around with pleat clips or any of those things. I literally just put it on the curtain rod and it just looks beautiful. I love them so much that I ended up buying 4 more sets of these curtains, and this is one of them behind me. You might have noticed that my couch has been moved from here as well. That is because I decided to move it back into our home gym area, and it's still a home gym, but it's more of a family room style home gym. And I won't go too much into the details to bore you, because I still want to show you a quick tutorial on my desktop of how to use ChatGPT to help you redecorate your home. So let's head on over to my computer and we can watch that tutorial. All right, so here I am actually in the desktop version of ChatGPT. And so I'm just going to upload a photo. I just uploaded a picture of a sunroom at my in-laws' house that I actually redid this room 2 years ago. And I uploaded the before picture just to see, you know, what it comes up with that I can do with this room. And so for the prompt, I'm just going to start by saying, help me make this sunroom at my mother-in-law's house look better. She doesn't use it currently, but it would be nice to use as a sitting room for guests. Let's just see what it comes up with. So here it says, let's turn this unused sunroom into a charming, welcoming sitting place for your mother-in-law and guests will actually enjoy. Here's a step-by-step makeover plan tailored to the space and what I can see in the photo. Bright, airy, and clutter-free are our design goals. Yes, this room was very cluttered. Relaxing for reading, tea time. Oh, she would love that. Or chats with friends. Easy upkeep with multifunctional seating. Step 1, clear out the clutter. It says get rid of all this stuff. Step 2, refresh the shelves, paint the walls a soft grayish. And you know, I can't believe you're gonna see what I actually did 2 years ago. I did all of this. So we repainted, we did the deep clean of the tile, keep the ceiling fan. Yes, I did update it. I actually did paint it. So see, you could see it there. I painted it black up there. That's what she wanted. Repurpose with furniture, add a small love seat and 2 armchairs. Maybe, because it's in a sunroom. You got to be careful what you put out there. Keep a small one for coffee books. Okay. Potted plants. Yes, she would love that. Add decor and personality. Wall decor. Curtains. Oh, yes. She definitely added curtains since then. Okay. So now it's saying down here, would you like a mock-up of this plan or help choosing budget-friendly pieces to fit the aesthetic? And I'm just going to say, mock-up, please. and it's going to do its thing. It does take a moment, and sometimes you do need to refresh the screen. And when you're in the app, it's pretty much the same thing when you're in the app. Wow, look at this. This is beautiful. I think she would love this, actually. I am definitely going to send this to her, and she is going to love it. Because, let me just show you actually. Okay, so this was the sunroom when I made it over. Can you believe it? I just used some burlap curtains up here, and it looks very similar, doesn't it? Okay. And then I've got just these two seating chairs out here because you would have to find a very small sofa to fit there. And of course, we kept a picture frame here because there's actually a window on the other side of this, and then we just wanted it covered up. And this was actually my father-in-law's like kind of hangout room. But unfortunately, he passed away last year, and so she's using this room a little bit differently now. It doesn't look exactly like this, and so I know it makes her sad to go out there. She might actually really love this concept. So I'm gonna actually, you can download your image here and save it and kind of let's look at it in a bigger. It's so beautiful. Now, if you wanted to, and let me just tell you, over here on this little sidebar area, if you go to your library, that's where it's going to store all of these photos that it does for you. And so I can now say up here, you know, we can just copy and paste what it said. Help choosing budget-friendly pieces to fit this aesthetic. I just love this color. Now, this looks like Sherwin-Williams sea salt. But we can also ask ChatGPT what paint colors to use. So let's see here. It's making a whole list of things. Oh, here we go. IKEA, Walmart, Amazon. Oh, yeah. It's giving you a budget here, but we can actually tell it that we only have, you know, a budget of $150. So can you pick items to keep my budget under $150? I can shop used item at thrift stores because we love thrift stores around here. So it's doing my complete refresh plan with thrifty items. You can also do DIY items. But I do like this. It suggested all of these things. Here we go. So it says thrift or Facebook Marketplace. Look for, it's telling me exactly what to look for. And then it says if you already have something, just add a slipcover. $25 on Amazon or Walmart. And, you know, it's telling me you can copy all of this right here. And it says, would you like me to pull specific links? Yes, links, please. And then it's going to give you the links. I'm just trying to show you the capabilities of ChatGPT. You could ask ChatGPT all of this all at once. You could say, hey, help me remake this sunroom, and I want this, and I need the links. I need to keep it under 150, and I also need to know a list of all the paint colors. You can tell all of this right in the beginning. Okay, so then it knows you need all of that all at once. But, you know, ChatGPT will respond and ask, do you need something else? And it gives you ideas on what you need. So let's ask it, what are the paint colors? And it is suggesting their paint colors. Sea salt, I told you guys. Sherwin-Williams of sea salt. A soft girl. It is beautiful. I love this color. Actually, I painted her laundry room this color. Oh, let me show you the laundry room. Yes, that is on my blog as well. I believe I have a YouTube video for this as well. Look, that's her laundry room. Yes, I am a wonderful daughter-in-law to be redoing her laundry room and sunroom. Yeah, that's the before picture. Yes, pink colors, look. Sea salt. Sherwin-Williams sea salt right there. Go back. And then it says pale oak. Oh, that's another one that I love. Pale oak. Our kitchen cabinets are pale oak. Honey milk. Okay. Trim and ceiling. Best choice. Okay, looks beautiful. Accent colors. Would you like a paint swatch mock-up? Yes. We want that mock-up. It would be cool if it did, like, yep, it should do like little squares or something with all those colors, so then you can kind of see what they look like together. So it's not just written, you get an actual mock-up photo to see what it will look like too. All right, so here is the paint color mock-up, and again, you can download this and it's saved in your library, so if you want to refer to it later. So I think this is just perfect. So that is how I've been using ChatGPT to redecorate my home. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions about everything I just showed. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video and that now you have some insight on how to use ChatGPT to help you make over your home. Let me know in the comments which was most surprising to you, and if you plan on using ChatGPT to help you redecorate your home. Be sure to subscribe if you want to see more videos like this. That's it for now, and thank you for watching. Bye.